In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Rollup field in Airtable. The Rollup field is a powerful way to summarize information from records that are linked to the one you're viewing. Think of it as a window that looks through a linked record field and brings back a summary, like a total cost, an average score, or a combined list of values. Before we start, make sure your base already has at least one linked record field, because Rollups only work on data that comes from linked records. First, head to Airtable and sign in to your account. Open the base where you want to do the rollup, and navigate to the table that should display the summarized result. Also take a moment to glance at the linked table so you know exactly which values you'll be summarizing. Now, decide where the result should live. You can add a new field by clicking the plus sign at the right edge of your fields, or you can edit an existing field if you prefer to reuse it. In the field configuration, choose Rollup as the field type. This tells Airtable that the value in this field will be calculated from linked records rather than typed in manually. Next, select the linked record field you want to use. This is the bridge that connects your current table to another table. After that, choose the specific field from the linked table that you want to summarize. For example, pick a numeric field if you plan to total or average values, or choose a text field if you want to combine entries into a single string. Now add your aggregation. You can use the function picker or type a formula such as sum values to add numbers together, average values, to calculate the mean, max values, or MIN values, to find extremes, or array join values, to stitch text into a comma-separated list. The keyword values represents the set of items from the linked records. Keep an eye on field types here. Numbers should be stored as numbers, not text, or calculations may not behave as expected. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Field or Save. Airtable will compute the result immediately and display it in the Rollup field. If you don't see a result yet, confirm that the record actually has linked records. Empty links mean there's nothing to summarize. From here on, the Rollup field updates automatically. Anytime you add, remove, or change linked records, or edit the summarized field in those linked records, the Rollup recalculates in real time. That's it. With this workflow, you can keep totals, averages, and combined lists perfectly in sync across your base.